I came across this old broken globe at a second-hand store. The base is cracked, but the globe itself is fine and the light still works, so I figured I can give it a new life. I took the globe apart and I tossed out the broken base. I also removed the old power cord. With a longer power cable and the shelf bracket, I intend to make this into a hanging lamp. I took the shelf bracket and drilled an exit hole for the cable. I started with a straight hole all the way through, and then I angled the drill to let the sides of the drill bit slice into the metal, and that way I get a slanted hole. That will make a much smoother transition for the cable, with no sharp angles. I don't need the second hole on the top, so I used some wall filler to fill that up. I wanted the top and bottom caps to blend in with the globe more, so I painted them white to match the North and South Pole. I cut some plastic from a bottle cap to cover the hole in the bottom. I threaded the cable through the shelf bracket, and then I could install the light fixture. Time for assembly. Time to break out the hot glue. I glued the little cover into the bottom cap. The top cap got hot glued into position on the power cable. It won't be carrying a lot of weight, so this should hold just fine. I don't want the power cable sticking up out of the shelf bracket, so I glued that down as well. This also meant I could guide it safely around the screw hole. The bottom cap easily popped into place. The top cap required some more hot glue. And then it was done. This was a pretty simple project, yet the results look great. I can definitely recommend keeping your eye out for broken globes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.